The king demands a bloodstained blade to kill the child the dragon made. But honor stands where shadows grow. Ned cast the badge into the snow.
I will not murder in the dark, cries out the echoes of the Stark.
The bond of old is ripped and torn as ancient hatred is reborn.
Up in the clouds where madness dwells, high in the open sky blue sails. The little lion looks below, where frozen mountain rivers flow.
Lysa demands a swift disgrace, with vengeance written on her face. But Tyrion smiles within his cage, while down below the lions rage. The wolf and the lion, eye to eye,
Under the heavy weeping sky,
the steel is clashing, the streets turn red.
with every word the shadow said.
The sword of justice,
The shield of pride,
nowhere to run,
nowhere to hide.
nowhere to hide.
A trap is set in the house of ice, where every whisper has its price.
Littlefinger leads the way,
To turn the darkness into day.
but outside, in the muddy street, the Kingslayer and the warden meet. Where is my brother? Jaime cries.
With lethal thunder in his eyes,
Spears strike down in the bloody rain.
Ned's brave men are choked in pain.
A treacherous blade through the broken knee.
The wolf